But I don't understand. In your spacecraft, I feel fine. We have related the internal gravitational pull to correspond with that of Earth or almost. Then you must be extremely uncomfortable, for you must weigh about 60 kilograms more than your normal weight, given your size. It's true that under this force, our bodies are heavier, but we have counterbalanced this by a semi-levitation, thus we are not uncomfortable, and at the same time, we have the satisfaction of seeing you move among us at ease. A slight jolt indicated we had docked. This extraordinary trip was over. I was going to put my foot on another planet. The second point, Thiaoouba resumed, is that you will be obliged to wear a mask, for a while at least, for the brightness and the colors will literally intoxicate you, just as if you had drunk alcohol. The colors are vibrations that act on certain points on your physiological body. On Earth, these points are so slightly stimulated, so little exercised, that here, consequences could be unfortunate. The security force field of my seat had just been turned off, liberating me again to move about as I pleased. The panel was blank, but the astronauts were still busy. Thiaoouba led me towards the door and back into the room I'd first entered, where I had lain for 3 hours. There, she took a helmet, very light, which covered my face from my forehead to just below my nose. "Let's go, Michelle, and welcome to Thiaoouba." Outside the spacecraft, we walked along a very short walkway. Immediately, I felt lighter. The sensation was very pleasant, although somewhat disconcerting, since several times I lost balance and Thiaoouba had to steady me. We saw no one, a fact that surprised me. Earthly perspective had led me to expect to be welcomed by a crowd of reporters, cameras flashing, or something similar, perhaps a red carpet. Why not the head of state in person? For heaven's sake, these people wouldn't be visited by an extraplanetarian every day. But nothing. After a short distance, we arrived at a round platform, to the side of the walkway. Thiaoouba sat down on a circular seat inside the platform, 6, and signaled that I should sit down opposite her. She took out an object the size of a walkie-talkie, and immediately I felt myself pinned to the seat, just as I had been in the spaceship, by an invisible force field. Then, quite gently and with a barely perceptible hum, the platform rose by several meters and moved off rapidly towards the eggs, about 800 meters away. The thin and slightly perfumed air was lashing the exposed area of my face below my nose, which was very nice, its temperature being around 26 degrees Celsius.